In today's fast-paced world, mastering the tools we use on a daily basis isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. My name's Nate Chamberlain. I'm a 5-time Microsoft MVP and Microsoft Certified Trainer, here to help you unlock new and innovative ways of working with Microsoft 365 and all it has to offer you and your team. I'd like to invite you to my upcoming workshop, Build Your Skills, Microsoft 365 Essentials for Beginners. Dive deep into the core of Microsoft 365 with SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams, 3 apps that power almost everything in Microsoft 365 and help you elevate your productivity. This isn't just another lecture, this will be a hands-on experience, so for this workshop, bring your laptop, sign into your own account, and follow along as we navigate Microsoft 365 and try new ideas with the apps that are included with your subscription. But we won't stop at the basics. There's so much more beyond SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams that Microsoft 365 has to offer, so we'll talk about all those little relationships between apps and maybe find new ways of working with apps you haven't yet used going forward. And as we're thinking about going forward, think about those real-world scenarios that you're facing right now. Maybe you're running into challenges with managing content, whether it's your own or org-wide content. Maybe it's communication, or maybe it's just collaborating on projects together and finding a uniform way of approaching those. You'll leave this workshop equipped to choose the right tool for the right task every time. So are you ready to harness the power of Microsoft 365? Join me, Nate Chamberlain, at TechCon 365 for my workshop, Build Your Skills, Microsoft 365 Essentials for Beginners. Let's unlock new levels of efficiency and collaboration together. Secure your spot today, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Transform your work, your team, and your career with Microsoft 365.